Will AI replace data analyst? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I'm glad to be back. And today I'm going to be talking about an interesting topic, which is, will AI replace data analyst? This is a question that I've been asking myself for a while. And as a data analyst, I'm going to be giving you a simple answer and my thoughts around this question. So, will AI replace data analyst? The simple answer to that question is no. And this is why AI is becoming popular more and more, and why I think human analysts are very important now than ever. Number one is AI lack the human touch. Human analysts or data analysis basically is not just about analyzing, crunching data. For most data analysis tasks, there's always a context. And when there's a context, it means there's a lot of communications that has to go between trying to understand what the problem statement is, talking to stakeholders, people that need the help of an analyst, gathering information from them, asking questions to better understand the context before going deep into the data and analyzing it. This step is actually very important, that there is always, for every data project, there is always about 2-3 weeks dedicated for trying to gather information, trying to understand what the problem statement was, asking the right questions and all of that. So because of that, AI can't replace that communication and collaboration that goes into every data project in order to find out more about it and also derive actionable insights. And this is something else that is actually exciting. AI is really helping data analysts by freeing them from those boring and mundane tasks like writing queries, writing code, writing DAX formulas and calculations, but it's giving data analysts the opportunity to actually do the right job. I mean, the real job of a data analyst, which is diving deep into data and finding informations, hidden patterns that can actually be valuable to the organization. For example, imagine spotting inefficiency in the amount of spend that an organization is making on ads as a result of checking and observing the patterns from previous month or previous week and the current week. This is something that a formula or AI might not necessarily flag, but as human analyst, you can easily spot that because of the context and your understanding of the business. Another thing that I tell people is the fact that AI results or AI product is as good as the person that is actually making use of it. So that means you can give the same AI resources to two different people with different level of experience and skills, and you find out that their results will be entirely different. Also, businesses, organizations are constantly changing their process, their operation, which means that some logic, some dashboard or whatever would get outdated. AI right now can't understand the shifting context and will not be able to constantly question wrong results or outdated logic. In a nutshell, AI is not here to replace data analysts. It is actually here to empower data analysts, and as a data analyst, you find yourself getting tasks done quickly, creating complex queries, logic easily, and working efficiently. So it's more like it's a tool that you should embrace as a data analyst, obviously, and the tool is here to actually empower you and make you do your job better. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this content valuable. If you do, kindly hit the like button and subscribe. I will be creating more content like this. And yeah, see you on the next one.